Hi there. You are now on question number 561 to 590. Pen and paper ready? Let's begin.
Question number 1. Includes cartilaginous fish like sharks and rays. A. Cephalaspidomorphy. B. Chondrichthyes. C. Osteichthyes. D. Elasmobranchii. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Chondrichthyes. Question number 2. Frozen fish acquire characteristic cold store odor and flavor due to blank cold storage. A. Low temperature. B. Defective. C. Dirty. D. Extended. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Extended. Question number 3. The fish muscles does not consist of A. Myotomes. B. Lesser amounts of myochomata. C. Fat. D. Fibers. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Fibers. Question number 4. In many fishes blank percent of fish muscle is white, light or no pigment, while blank percent is red, dark, because of its myoglobin pigment content. A 80%, 20%. B 60%, 40%. C 90%, 10%. D 50%, 50%. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 90%, 10%. Question number 5. Fish blank is a vital part of any quality assurance scheme in the industry and official regulatory procedures which are intended to protect the consumer from unfit food and to facilitate and regulate trade. A. Inspection. B. Evaluation. C. Mitigation. D. Processing. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Inspection.
Question number 6. A disadvantage of flake ice dash. A. More dense than crushed ice, so more flake ice has to be used to achieve the same cooling as crushed ice. B. Tends to clump. C. Melts very rapidly. D. All of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Question number 7. Government office that has the responsibility for the inspection and application of quality control assurance in aquatic products includes A. BFAR. B. Bureau of Food and Drugs. C. Department of Health. D. All of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. Question number 8. In blank, protein undergoes irreversible changes in sensory quality such as in appearance and texture. A. Protein denaturation. B. Protein burn. C. Protein coagulation. D. Protein rancidity. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Protein denaturation. Question number 9. Refrigerated air is circulated by A. Boat engine. B. Air blowers. C. Compressor. D. None of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Air blowers. Question number 10. Inspection of aquatic products such as fresh/chilled fish for domestic sale is under the responsibility of the blank in coordination with the respective local government units. A. Bureau of Food and Drugs. B. BFAR. C. Department of Agriculture. D. Department of Health. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. BFAR.
Question number 11. The type and the duality of waste generated depend on the type of processing operation and the products being processed. A. Pollution control. B. Contaminants. C. Waste production. D. Garbage disposal. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Waste production. Question number 12. A step in fish silage production and storage. A. Mincing. B. Mixing with acid/carbohydrate source. C. Liquefaction. D. Storage. E. All of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter E. All of the above. Question number 13. Blank waste produced during fish processing contains mainly bones, shells, skin and viscera. A. Liquid. B. Solid. C. Softness. D. Both A and B. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Solid. Question number 14. Blank are produced by mollusks as outer skeleton, largely composed of limey material, calcium carbonate. A. Shells. B. Carbonate. C. Skeletal support. D. None of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Shells. Question number 15. The blank component of waste consists of solutions or suspension of water and particles of solid waste. A. Liquid. B. Slurry. C. Effluents. D. None of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Liquid.
Question number 16. During blank, majority of the biological materials are broken down by enzymatic action and by bacteriological processes, frequently with the production of noxious odors. A. Garbage processing. B. Garbage security. C. Waste disposal. D. None of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Waste disposal. Question number 17. Fish that has been chilled and hence have just passed blank will be the most suitable raw material for filleting. A. Rigor, stiffening. B. Salting. C. Heat. D. Drying. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Rigor, stiffening. Question number 18. Smoking of fish is usually carried out using a blank to control the proper burning of wood. A. Stove. B. Dirty kitchen. C. Electric plate. D. Smokehouse. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Smokehouse. Question number 19. The freshness quality and the extent of spoilage of aquatic products after harvesting and prior to consumption are generally evaluated using the A. Human senses. B. Supervisor. C. BFAD. D. Microscope. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Human senses. Question number 20. Symptom of poisoning, which appears within 1 hour of consumption. A. Numbness of the lips. B. Numbness of the tongue. C. Numbness of fingers. D. Nausea and vomiting. D. All of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above.
Question number 21. Waste production during canning may be as high as blank of the raw material used. A. 40 to 45%. B. 60 to 65%. C. 50 to 55%. D. 45 to 50%. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. 50 to 55%. Question number 22. A blank is decayed organic matter which is mainly used as fertilizer. A. Garbage. B. Compost. C. Effluent. D. Detritus. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Compost. Question number 23. Polystyrene is also called A. Styropor. B. Plastic. C. Fiberglass. D. Polyethylene. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, styropor. Question number 24. The fish waste can be layered alternately with a carbon source such as A, plant material, B, rice husks, C, coconut husks, bagasse and banana wastes, D, all of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, all of the above. Question number 25. Protective ice coating on the product to ensure against dehydration. A, dry ice, B, glaze, C, ice cubes, D, crushed ice. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, glaze.
Question number 26. The total energy present in a unit of food, usually expressed as kcal per kilogram feed. A, gross energy. B, calorie. C, fat. D, all of the above. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, gross energy. Question number 27. Blank commonly produced from fresh water as thin flakes, formed instantly on cold metallic surfaces such as the inside of a fixed, vertical cylinder. A, crushed ice. B, flake ice or scale. C, tube ice. D, dry ice. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, flake ice or scale. Question number 28. Blank gives flavor to pickles, makes the product firm and also acts as preservative, however, does not provide a preservative action over long period compared to the salt used in dried products. A, vinegar. B, sugar. C, soy sauce. D, spices. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, vinegar. Question number 29. Occurs when particular mollusks such as mussels, clams and scallops are eaten. It is caused by certain types of unicellular organisms, dinoflagellates, belonging to the genera Alexandrium, Gymnodinium, and Pyridinium. A, paralytic shellfish poisoning. B, diuretic shellfish poisoning. C, neurotic shellfish poisoning. D, amnesic shellfish poisoning. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, paralytic shellfish poisoning. Question number 30. Blank in fish processing are used mainly to improve and preserve the fish and fishery products. A, preservatives. B, additives. C, salt. D, spices. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, additives. That's all for now. How many correct answers did you get? Comment down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.